If you're a tattoo artist, you probably already have the stuff to make this freehand stencil solution.
Okay, pause. Some people will say just buy Gentian Violet. You can do that, but then you gotta wait for it to come in the mail, you gotta spend money, and you probably already have all this stuff. Okay.
First, you want to cover your work surface with a disposable sheet. You'll want to get some gloves, have a clean tray, paper towels, alcohol, a dropper bottle for the solution, and some used scraps of stencil. You want to make sure the tray is very clean because we're going to be pouring off of it into our bottle. Now this is very simple. I'm just going to take this scrap of stencil sheet and a paper towel. I'm going to fold this a few times so I just get a little scrubber sponge. Spray alcohol on it. Get some alcohol on your sheet. And then I'm just going to take this paper towel and scrub this stuff off with the alcohol. After all that, I made sure to spray the paper towel thoroughly several times and squeeze it out several times to get all the dye out of that paper towel. Just squeeze it out like a sponge. You'll be left with a puddle of dye that you can pour off into your squeeze bottle. This is very messy, but that's to be expected with this dye fluid. Here's some ways you can use it. Put some in an ink cap. You can use the tip of a Q-tip, the head of a Q-tip, drawing on. You want broad strokes or narrow strokes. You can also use one of these Sakura watercolor pens, fill it with the fluid, make very fine lines and brush strokes. I even tried filling this little spritzer. You could do some interesting spray effects with that, or cover large area if you want to erase. I've even used it with thread, stretching it out to make straight lines, like a chalk line. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.